Good morning, students. My name is Kuldeep Yadav from Mechanical Engineering Department. Today, I am delivering on a lecture on welding. So, these are the contents of the lecture. First one is introduction, classification, principle, equipment, working, types of flame, application, and then advantage and disadvantage. So, first we know about the welding, that welding is a process of joining two metal pieces or two non-metal pieces by the application of heat or without heat, or and by the application of pressure or without pressure. So we add filler material in case when it is required, but in some cases we do not use filler material depending upon the requirements. After that, the classification of welding. So the welding is classified as gas welding. It is also subdivided into three parts, that is air acetylene, oxyacetylene, and oxyhydrogen welding. After that, arc welding. First one is carbon arc welding, plasma arc welding, sealed metal arc welding, TIG, MIG. TIG means tungsten inert gas welding, and MIG means metal inert gas welding. After that, third number is resistance welding. Resistance welding is also subdivided into five parts, that is spot welding, seam welding, projection welding, resistance welding, flash butt welding. After that, solid state welding. Solid state welding is also classified into six parts, that is cold welding, diffusion welding, forge welding, fabrication welding, hot pressure welding, and after that, roll welding. After that, thermochemical welding. Thermite welding and atomic welding are the parts of thermochemical welding. Basically, these are the advanced welding. After that, radiant energy welding, that is electron beam welding and laser beam welding. So these are also known as advanced welding process. After that, we discuss the gas welding process. Basically, gas welding is an important type of welding process which are generally used in our daily life. So in gas welding, the welding is obtained by burning of fuel gases with the help of oxygen and concentrated flame of high temperature. This flame directly strike the metal workpiece or weld area, and after that the metal will be melt, or weld surface will be melt. So we add some filler material for fulfill the cavity, and after that the melted part of the welding plate diffuse into one another and create a weld joint after cooling. After that, we discuss about the equipments of the gas welding. First one is welding torch, second one is oxygen cylinder, and then fuel gas cylinder, pressure regulator, Google and gloves. Basically, Google and gloves are the safety equipments of our body when the welding process is in operating condition. So these are the working of the gas welding. Basically, these are the setup of the gas welding. These are two cylinders. There are two cylinders. First one is oxygen cylinder and second one is acetylene cylinder, which is a fuel gas cylinder. So these are the pressure regulator which maintain the pressure inside the cylinder. After that, you can see the hose pipe which are connected to the welding torch. So in welding torch, the oxygen and acetylene are in mix with right proportion ratio, which are needed as per our requirement. So you can see the workpiece from the diagram, and this is the welding joint where the metal piece is melt and weld formation take place. So basically these are the working of gas welding. So these are the types of flame. Basically the types of flame are play a very important role when the gas welding is carried out. So there are three types of flame depending upon the mixing of oxygen and acetylene fuel. So first one is carburizing flame, second one is neutral flame, and after that this is the oxidizing flame. So uh, in carburizing flame, the mixture of oxygen and acetylene is 0.1 0.5 is to 1. So this flame is known as carburizing flame. In carburizing flame, there are three envelope of the flame, that is outer envelope, middle and inner layer. And after that, neutral flame, basically neutral flame is that flame when the acetylene and oxygen are mixed in the equal ratio or 1:1 ratio. So it is known as neutral flame. After that, the oxidizing flame. Basically, oxidizing flame is that flame in which the amount of oxygen is more than the amount of acetylene. So here, the proportion ratio of oxygen to acetylene is equal to 1.5 raised to 1. So these are the flame depending upon our requirements. Basically, there are different materials in the market. So for different material, there are use of different flame of gas welding, because every material have unique property and for melting the workpiece. These are the applications of gas welding. First one is it is used to join thin metal plates, and second one is it can use to join both ferrous and non-ferrous metal. After that, the gas welding mostly used in fabrication of sheet metal. And last one is it is widely used in automobile and aircraft industries. So after that, the advantage of gas welding. First one is it is easy to operate and does not require high skill operator. After that, the equipment cost is low as compared to other welding process like MIG welding, that is metal inert gas welding, or TIG welding, tungsten inert gas welding, etc. And third one is it can be used at site. Fourth one is equipments are more portable than other type of welding. After that, it can also be used as a gas cutting. So why the use of gas or acetylene gas? You can cut the material. After that, disadvantage, it provides low surface finish. This process need a finishing operation after welding. Second one is gas welding have large heat affected zone which can cause change in mechanical properties of parent metal. Third one is higher safety issue due to neck flame of high temperature. It is suitable only for soft and thin sheet. Next one is slow metal joining rate. And last one is no shielding area which cause more welding defects. Thank you.